Today's topic is physical properties of minerals. Minerals. What is minerals? A mineral is a natural inorganic substance with characteristics, physical properties, and a definite chemical composition. For example, quartz, SiO2, calcite, CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Physical properties of minerals. The physical properties of minerals is to help their description and identification. The important physical properties are first is first physical property of mineral is habit. Habit means the characteristic shape of minerals. Minerals assume crystalline forms when formed under favorable physicochemical condition. When mineral formed under unfavorable conditions or varying conditions, they assume imitative shapes or become shapeless or amorphous or massive. So minerals shape in the form of crystals or amorphous. The most common habits are first is crystalline. First habit or shape of mineral is crystalline. Crystalline in for minerals, crystals or crystalline is well developed individual crystals or crystal clusters and or groups, partially developed or distorted crystals in these forms. Examples of crystalline minerals: quartz, beryl, calcite, galena. Galena is lead sulfate, lead sulfide. Second habit or shape of mineral is nodular. Nodular is a shape of just like a smooth rounded like river pebbles. Stones found in river. Example is flint. Flint mineral or shape of flint mineral is nodular. Third habit or shape is reniform. Reniform is shape kidney shaped. Sometimes in aggregates, found in aggregates, and example is hematite. Fourth habit is petroidal. Petroidal is a shape of resembling a bunch of grapes. This type of say or habit found in realistic uh, chalcedony minerals. Fifth habit is piezolytic. Piezolytic is a small spherules like lead shots in an amorphous matrix, sometimes hemispherical shape. For example is bauxite, mineral of bauxite, found in this shape. Sixth is granules. Granules, shape of granule means small crystalline or irregular grains. Examples of granular shape minerals: olivine, chromite. These are the and seventh habit is flaky. Flaky shape or habit is extremely thin, flexible or elastic, easily separable, indefinitely repeating layers in the form of layers. Best example of flaky mineral is mica, mineral of mica. Eighth habit is foliated. Foliated is thin, frequently curved, twisted or irregular separable layers. This is the foliated habit. Examples: foliated shape of minerals: chloride, talc, slate. These are the foliated minerals. Ninth is radiating. Radiating is a shape like needle like members radiating from common centers. Example of this shape is kyanite. Next habit is fibrous. Fibrous is a very thin or fine strands or fibers that are rigid or flexible and easily separable. Example of fibrous shape or habit is gypsum and asbestos. Asbestos is a very fibrous material. 11th is dendritic. Dendritic shape is branching like twigs, plant like or tree like. Example is paralucite. And last habit or shape is massive. Massive means no shape or shapeless. Amorphous, shapeless masses. Example, massive shape of minerals is opal and magnesite. This is the physical property, habit or shape. Second physical property of mineral is color. Color is a shape or tint of the mineral surface in reflected light. So color may be inherent, typical of chemical compounds. Example, copper carbonate, green sulfurs, yellow or exotic due to presence of impurities. Third physical property of mineral is luster. Luster means brilliance of mineral surface in reflected light. Luster varies with the nature of the mineral surface, smooth or rough. Luster depend on surface of mineral smooth or rough and the quantity of light reflected. The important lusters are: first is metallic luster. In metallic luster, shining like metals. Example of metallic luster are galena, lead sulfide, graphite. These are having metallic luster. Second is vitreous luster. Vitreous luster is shining like a piece of broken glass. That is vitreous luster. And examples are quartz and orthoclase. Third luster is silky luster, just like a silk, shining like silk thread or silk cloth. Example, asbestos and gypsum. Next is pearly luster, bright or luster like a pearl, shining like a pearl with or without play of colors. There may be color or color absent. Example of pearly lusters: calcite, mineral of calcite, talc, and mica. Fifth is dull or earthy luster. In this luster, not shining. Example, magnesite. And last type of luster is adamantine luster. Adamantine luster, shining like diamond. If mineral shine like a diamond, that is adamantine luster. And fourth physical property of mineral is hardness. Hardness or degree of resistance of the mineral surface to scratching or abrasion. Hardness is a property of surface and resistance to the scratching or abrasion. Hardness is a measure of the atomic or molecular cohesion. The value of hardness H is relative, comparative term, and is expressed by Mohs number in 1 to 10. Compounds of minerals are hard and hydrous, salts relatively soft. Now, hardness of mineral is determined by a scratch test. In this test, a clean part of the surface of the given mineral is scratched successively by fingernail, and hardness of fingernail is 2.5, and a pen knife hardness of pen knife is 6.5, and hardness point is set of 10 standard minerals whose hardness is rated from 1 to 10. The easy or the difficulty with which it is scratched is next referred to the Mohs standard scale of hardness for the value. Mohs scale of comparative hardness consists of 10 standard minerals arranged according to their increasing hardness. This is the Mohs scale of comparative hardness. In this hardness scale, these are the standard minerals and these are the hardness number, increasing order. First, number one is talc. Talc hardness is 1, means talc is a less hardness or soft. Then gypsum, then increasing order calcite, fluorite, apatite, orthoclase, feldspar, quartz hardness 7, topaz hardness 8, corundum hardness 9, and most hardness material in the earth according to this Mohs scale is diamond and having hardness number 10. Now uh, understand the hardness from this example. Determination of hardness. How to determine the hardness of particular mineral or material. For example, determine hardness of hornblende. First, fingernail hardness 2.5. Scratch the hornblende with fingernail, and if fingernail does not scratch, then hardness greater than 2.5. This is confirmed. Now scratch with knife having hardness 6.5. Knife hardness 6.5, scratches with some difficulty. Scratch by knife, then hardness of hornblende is less than 6.5. Now hardness in between the 2.5 and 6.5. This is the variation is high. So Mohs standard mineral nearby 6.5 Mohs standard, in Mohs standard scale mineral apatite 5. This is the scale apatite hardness 5. Take apatite, does not scratch, means hardness of hornblende is greater than 5. Now next number of mineral in Mohs scale after 5. After apatite does not scratch. After apatite in this scale, orthoclase feldspar, and hardness number is 6. Scratch by orthoclase feldspar. Apatite does not scratch, means hardness of hornblende is greater than 5. Now, Mohs standard mineral orthoclase having hardness 6 scratches with difficulty. It means hardness of hornblende is less than 6. Now decide hardness of hornblende is in between 5 and 6. So take the average, and 5 and 6 average 5.5. So hardness of hornblende is 5.5. Next physical property is streak. Streak is a color of the powder of mineral. The streak may be the same as that the minerals or entirely different. Powder of mineral is same or entirely different. When it is different, as in the case of some metallic minerals, streak forms a decisive index property for identification. Streak is determined by rubbing a fresh, sharp edge of the given mineral in a clean white porcelain plate, and porcelain plate hardness is approximate equal or less than 6, called a streak plate. Porcelain plate known as streak plate, and mineral rubbing in this plate, and color of the deposited powder is noted. This is the streak means color of the powder of mineral in the form of powder. This is the streak. Examples of streak means minerals natural color in the form of crystal or mineral and in the form of powder. Streak means color of powder, mineral powder. Magnetite Fe3O4 natural color black and also streak is also black. Hematite Fe2O3 natural color bright steel gray and streak is reddish brown or cherry red. Iron pyrites FeS2 natural color of mineral is bright golden yellow and streak is black means color of powder of mineral is black. These are the some important physical properties of minerals. Thank you.